Gong Hei Fat Choy. Let's make a simple snake with only one balloon. Please, God of Wealth, action!
Start by pumping up your 260 gold balloon. And then tie a knot. Leave an 8 cm tail. We're going to start by making a pinch twist. And then a 3 cm bubble. And then another pinch twist. And then a 3 cm bubble. And then we're going to tie this to the first pinch twist that you made. So then the two 3 cm bubbles are in between the pinch twists. And now we're going to make two 6 cm bubbles. And then we're going to twist them together and tie that to the pinch twist. Now squish your balloon to soften it up a little bit, and then make a large loop twist around the whole thing and tie it back to the pinch twist at the back. Loop the rest of the balloon around the pinch twist a little bit. And then now what we're going to do is just squeeze all of the air to the end of the balloon so it's evenly distributed, and just squeeze it as much as you like to give it a bit of shape, because this is going to be the tail of the snake. So just squish it as much as you like, give it a little bit of wave. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to first grab a black marker, and then we're going to outline some eyes. Now we're going to draw a really big mouth with some little fangs and some nostrils. Now grab your white marker and color in the fangs. As well as the whites in the eyes. And a little highlight. And now your one balloon snake is complete.
Whoa, I have a one balloon snake. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.